Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. We're tracking a weather alert. We got a severe thunderstorm watch that has just been issued, and we're starting to see storms firing up. We're recording this as of 3:45 p.m., and we do expect this coverage to expand. And you can see things have really developed within the last half hour, 45 minutes. Got a strong storm over Warwick, one over North Kingstown, another one just firing up in Western Kent County. And we have our lightning track counter, and we've noticed the number of lightning strikes has been increasing in the last 30 minutes now. And this activity extends further to the west as well. You got activity out in the Hudson Valley of New York. Those storms will be tracking east and southeast into our area over the next roughly 2 to 3 hours. And you can see that activity right there in nearby Connecticut and upstate New York. The severe thunderstorm watch, now the red polygons are warnings. The severe thunderstorm watch, pretty much the entire area with the exception of eastern Massachusetts. That's not to say that Newport County couldn't get a severe thunderstorm, or even in eastern Massachusetts, but the risk is higher here in this area in yellow, and that is until 8 o'clock in the evening. Now, it's quiet in Providence, but there are other towns and communities that are getting some heavy storms right now, and the potential is there for, of course, everything that comes to the severe thunderstorm, the potential for damaging wind, hail, frequent lightning, and some localized street flooding. And you can see, looking at East Greenwich right now, and yep, that is the storm that's coming through the area. At this time, you can see the reduced visibility and some lightning. So our threat tracker is elevated for the next several hours due to these storms. And we're going to repeat the process, unfortunately, all over again for Saturday, though I'm thinking this is going to be a late day, late Saturday afternoon, early Saturday evening with another round of storms. But this first round coming through next several hours. Here's a different look on the satellite and radar composite. Notice, a couple of hours ago, nothing, and then boom, they just kind of develop right overhead. And here's the wider view with more of that activity off to our west that'll be passing through. So what we have quite simply is a cold front that's come through really in just hearing thunder here outside our studios in East Providence as I record this. So what we have here is really two fronts. One's a backdoor front that is passing through, and then there's another front off to our west. And it's right in between these two fronts in this circle in here. That's where the better risk of severe thunder will be. So now through certainly 7, 8 o'clock this evening, that risk of scattered thunderstorms, and my apologies here, this is a typo. The percentage or the chance of thunderstorms is much higher than this. I meant to change this to about 60, 70%. So ignore these percentages, but do recognize this, that we have showers and storms coming through even as late as 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. Now we jump ahead to Saturday morning, which starts off quiet, and then we may be dealing with another round of strong thunderstorms by roughly mid to late afternoon, warm and humid with temperatures in the lower 80s. So wrapping it up, in the short term, severe thunderstorm watch for all areas except eastern Massachusetts. Severe storms, downpours, frequent lightning, some localized street flooding. This is all lousy timing for the busy Friday evening commute. And this activity should start to wane and weaken as we get beyond, say, 9 o'clock this evening.